Smart Home Camera, created by Team 31, consisting of Shazil Islam, Rahul Patel, and Parth Patel, advisor Maria Streaky. Giving your home a new look. As smartphones began to become smaller and storage capacity started increasing, individuals have started keeping their data on their phones for easy access. Data such as valuable photos, ebooks, class notes, and recently, digital car keys. To make sure that this information is not available to anyone that holds your phone, big tech companies implemented Face ID to ensure that only you would be able to access your data. Before Face ID, there was Fingerprint ID. This was the first implementation of biometric security being implemented into consumer products. So our team questioned, why not upgrade our oldest form of security, our homes, with the latest standards? On average, there are about 1.2 million home invasion cases per year, and approximately 28% of the victims are home during the attack. With all these scary numbers, why not invest in a better home security system? Especially when our homes consist of children and elderly who have a hard time protecting themselves. So Team 31 set out to build something as compact as the Ring that would upscale the security of your house. Introducing the Artificially Enabled Guardian Identification System, better known as Aegis. The idea of decor and seamless integration was always on our minds when designing Aegis. Aegis uses a camera on your front door to get a live feed of who is at the door. Once it detects a face, Aegis runs that face through our trained model to understand if that person is a stranger or a simple member of this household. The result is then sent to the photo frame, which will announce to the rest of the household who is at the front door. When not in use, the photo frame will present a slideshow of beautiful photos that you, the user, has loaded into it. This way, Aegis does not feel out of place and integrates itself seamlessly into your house in a very aesthetically pleasing manner. Because our product is targeting those who cannot protect themselves, our team has made it so that the user does not need to go through settings and different configurations to figure out who's at the door. The system automatically alerts the user, thus getting rid of any unnecessary interactions. The main focus when training our model was the duration of the training and the sample size. We wanted our clients to be able to integrate the machine into their home as soon as possible. OpenCV allowed us to do this and create a very secure trained model with as low as 30 sample images. That ensured that the user would spend significantly less time setting up the system and more time feeling protected. The entire project consists of two main components. The first component being the camera unit, which would be approximately 5 megapixels and constantly running and actively looking for faces. The second component would be the photo frame, which is a large 12-inch touchscreen that showcases the individual at the front door, as well as displays all your beautiful photos in a very vibrant colored manner. These two devices would be connected via Bluetooth to ensure that no other devices can connect to the camera or the photo frame once those two have been paired. The email and text notification would be on by default, allowing one to know who is coming near their house even when they are not home. This email notification system also allows the user to be able to understand who is at the door even if they are not near the photo frame and they are at a different part of the house. Now, let's jump in and see a demo. Here, we have Tim. Currently, Tim is contemplating if he wants to make lunch or not. Suddenly, Tim hears a knock at the door. Tim, like most children, don't actually ask who is at the door and simply opens the door, in this case resulting in an intruder coming in. Now, let's rewind and see how this entire scenario can change by implementing Aegis solutions. Right now, we go back to the moment where Tim is contemplating whether he wants to make lunch or not. At this moment, Tim hears another knock at the door. He goes and he's about to answer the door. However, he realizes Aegis has stated that an unknown person was at the door. Tim realizes that this is stranger danger and he must go inform an adult. Tim turns away from the door without opening and speeds away to go and inform another adult that there is a stranger in front of the house. As you can see, because of Aegis, Tim does not introduce any threat to the inner house, thus keeping him safe and keeping all of his family members safe as well.